Helens teacher accused of sex abuse will remain behind bars indefinitely. Now his lawyer is trying to get a judge removed from his case.
Let's go to Joelle Jones. She was in the courtroom today. And what exactly happened, Joelle?
Well, Jeff, it felt a little like deja vu after Eric Stearns' attorney didn't show up for court on Friday. She filed a third motion to have the presiding judge removed from this case since the start of the new year. That means for the second time, this hearing was set over, the delay prompting some of those victims to break down outside the courtroom in frustration.
Unfortunately, counsel jumped to conclusions that simply were not true. And it's caused the delays that find us here today.
The Columbia County presiding judge attempting to set the record straight, offering Eric Stearns' attorney, Jennifer Myrick, two options: waive any conflict with him and continue today's release hearing as scheduled, or have another judge review her third motion to disqualify him from the case, but waive Stearns' right to be released within 5 days. Her client pled not guilty to 18 counts of sex abuse last week. Today, she opted to keep him in jail.
Or you've told me that I'm incorrect, but of course, there's a substantial paper trail that shows that I am not wrong. One, Clark did sign the order that has been taken out. Two, I did file that motion to disqualify on the 9th.
The setback comes after Myrick's two previous requests to remove the judge were denied without a hearing. Today, she tripled down on concerns that he would not be impartial, further accusing him of editing court documents, a claim which the judge disputed today. Myrick expressed her need for more funding and time to properly represent Stearns, telling me a fair trial is a constitutional right. The judge also acknowledging that right in an apology to the victims who showed up only to be turned away for the second time in 4 days. Now, in that courtroom, a deputy DA also asked that the victims not be forgotten, noting how unfair this has been on them. The judge assured everyone that those voices will be heard when this hearing eventually does happen. But right now, no date has been set. The judge noting that none of the Columbia County judges can hear Myrick's oral arguments. So for now, we will continue to track this as this remains in the air. Reporting live in St. Helens, I'm Joelle Jones, KOIN 6 News.